The value of a man resides in what he gives and not in what he is capable of receiving. Albert Einstein. Energenesis Biomedical Company Limited. Our technology. Energenesis is a new biotech and pharmaceutical company established with the approval of the Ministry of Economic Affairs, MOEA, of Taiwan. Inspired by a strong passion for human life and a dedication to improve the health and welfare of human beings, Energenesis is committed to novel drug development and has established a platform to develop the Energy series, which promotes the self-healing functions of the human body for overall health improvement. To understand the Energy series, one needs to understand AMPK and ATP. AMPK is the most important regulatory enzyme in metabolism. ATP is the molecular form of energy stored in the cells. Simply put, if energy is electricity, AMPK is an energy sensor, and ATP is the energy storage cell, i.e. the battery. Once AMPK is activated, not only can substances such as glucose, lipids, or proteins be decomposed to produce energy, but also increase cellular mitochondria number that promote energy to store in ATP. When human cells are full of energy, they are stress-resistant and age-proof. The development of the AMPK activator is highly valued in the pharmaceutical industry. However, a regular AMPK activator only increases AMPK activity and allows rapid ATP replenishment. It does not increase the total power, battery capacity. The newly developed Energy series not only activates AMPK and increases mitochondrial biogenesis, but also elevates total power. After thorough evaluation using cell and animal models, we have found potential use of Energy series for treating diabetic foot ulcer and androgenic alopecia, and launched the corresponding new drug development projects. Topical gels for diabetic foot ulcer, Energy F703. The number of diabetic patients is increasing globally. In 2014, the number of global diabetic patients reached 387 million, and 15% of them suffer from unhealable ulcers. Regranix, the only FDA-approved drug, has the side effect that increases cancer mortality risk by 5 times if 3 or more tubes are used. Energy F703 is able to activate AMPK and increase the ATP of epithelium cells, which promotes diabetic wound healing. Currently, we are conducting Phase 2 clinical trials of Energy F703 in human subjects simultaneously in the US and Taiwan. Results for cell and animal studies show that Energy F703 not only significantly improves diabetic wound healing by promoting anti-inflammation, cell migration, re-epithelialization, and collagen secretion, it also prevents abnormal angiogenesis effectively. Currently, the annual global sales of wound-healing pharmaceutical products for diabetes are approximately $9 billion. We estimate that Energy F703 could obtain at least 10% of the global market share, and global sales revenue could reach $900 million after its launch. Solution against androgenic alopecia, Energy F701. The annual global sales of drugs against androgenic alopecia amounts to about $7.11 billion, which demonstrates the magnitude of the global male population suffering from alopecia. Rogaine and Propecia are currently the best-known products against androgenic alopecia on the market. Rogaine aims to promote hair growth, but has the side effect of hair loss in the early phase of application. Propecia is well known for its effects on hair loss prevention, but it can only be used by male patients and may cause the side effect of sexual dysfunction. By increasing AMPK activity and ATP production in dermal papilla cells, Energy F701 effectively promotes hair growth, prevents hair follicle cells from aging, and thus leads to less hair loss. It can be considered a combination of Rogaine and Propecia. We are preparing to conduct the Phase 2 clinical trials for Energy F701 in the US and Taiwan. Preliminary study results indicate that subjects who have used Energy F701 are experiencing significant improvement in appearance. Hair growth promotion and delay in the aging of follicle cells have also been observed. We estimate that after launch, Energy F701 can obtain at least 10% of the global market share for drugs against androgenic alopecia, and its annual sales revenue could reach $711 million. Future prospects. Energenesis has applied for patents in 12 countries. Among them, 10 have been approved and 16 are under review. In addition, 3 other patent applications are being processed. The Phase 2 clinical trial of Energy F703 was launched in 2016, and the one of Energy F701 will be launched in 2017. Moreover, developments of novel drugs for patients with scalds and burns, diabetes, irritable bowel syndrome, asthma, Parkinson's disease, mitochondrial disorders, cachexia, and hyperphosphatemia, as well as vaccine adjuvants, are now in the preclinical phase. Energenesis is committed to the development of safe and effective pharmaceutical products using patented technology to promote human health.